If you want to set up an alarm clock on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, first we need to open the clock app, which you should be able to find in the app drawer. Of course, make sure that alarm has access to notifications. There we go, and also make sure that you have alarm selected in the bottom left corner. You can also find some example alarms that are immediately created for us, so if you want to, you can turn it on and turn it off quite easily just by tapping on this switcher. And if you try to turn off an alarm that is repeatable, then you have more than one option, of course. So we can turn off just for tomorrow, or you can completely deactivate the alarm. You can of course tap on these alarms in order to customize them, so if you want them to go off at a different time, you can just change that. You can also tap on additional settings, and here we can, let's say, choose a different alarm sound. We can choose whether the event, the clock should be, the alarm clock should be repeatable or not. We can also set up the label, so the name for the alarm and so on. And of course, remember to use this check in the upper right corner of this menu in order to save changes if you made any. And of course, you can also create your own alarm clock, so you can use this plus at the bottom, and then you can see pretty much all the same list of settings. And you can use this check in the upper right corner in order to create the alarm. To delete an alarm, you can just simply press and hold your finger to select it. You can select a couple of different alarms, of course. You can select everything at once as well, and then you can tap on a delete at the bottom. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.